Greetings, Internet! Let's review an Amazon product. First, navigate to the page of the thing you want to review. On my screen now is a sample product, a Kindle ebook I wrote titled Everything is Money. A link is in the description below. I recommend getting a copy and writing a review for practice and as a simple way to help me. Second, on the page of the thing you want to review, scroll down to the Customer Reviews section and click Write a Customer Review. For this, a simple way to handle this is just do a find for the word review and scroll down from there. Click this button. Now, since this is something I made, Amazon says it has prevented me from reviewing it. Thus, I'm switching to another sample product of something I haven't made, a Pastor Joseph Prince book called Destined to Reign. The link will also be in the video description. So, this is the review page of Destined to Reign. When writing a review, you must include a star rating from 1 to 5 stars. More stars means it's better. You must also include a headline and your review. Now, it is optional to include any photos, images, or videos. Doing so is meant to enhance the quality of your review. Also, when writing a review, it's best to be honest about what you didn't like, what you liked, what expectations you had that weren't met or were met, and why. The purpose is to give people who are considering buying this product a proper impression of this product before they buy. Yes. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy. And of course, when you're done, for real, click the submit button. That's one more problem solved.